mobile towers not applicable. Yes, this one is ours, pure for the electrics. Yes, here it is. So every day should be signed. So 11, 7, 11, 7. All right. And we have a board trolley inspection. Board trolley is basically just one small trolley. We were checking it, I believe it on Friday, so not a problem. We sign it out now. I'm just gonna. Well, in July, yes. Right. Well, nothing can be break in like a few days. No one was using it, so it's alright to sign it. Alright, so just a few papers. Site manager's environmental inspection checklist. So date, time of inspection, today date. Carried out by me. Papers, yes, they're all in place. Plant equipment, yes. Filters were changed on 17. 06. These are not applicable. Air pollution. Cooling stations. Oh yeah, this one is used. Yeah, sorry. So the storage cost not applicable. Water pollution. Wastewater system is in place. Yes. Yes, not applicable. Not applicable. So the dust masks, yes. Alright, we've done the first one. Just we're gonna put it in the file. Site manager inspection checklist. This was the previous. Oh, I like to see my name all the time when there is a manager, yeah? Alright, so let me double check if this one was correct. Alright, so we're just gonna fill it. And there. Just filling the forms. Just finishing with the form.
Что мы ждем его или ждем Тимку, что мы делаем по сути?
Ничего не делаем. Переходим в ту комнату и там что-то планируем, типа смотрим, не знаю.
Какую ту комнату?
B1, силинг.
Планировать там несколько надо делать.
Ну так а из чего делать?
Что еще?
Из плая?
У нас есть, блядь, с чего?
Окей, so.
Ты говоришь, он заказал Тимку или должен заказать?
Он так говорил в пятницу. Alright, the guy is asking what should they do, but we're waiting for some timber. I'm just gonna put for now all of the papers into this important document to be stored. So basically that's it, nothing so hard. And being hard site manager is also not hard, you know. I remember I was working as a supervisor, and you know, there is always people who can help you. For example, now we have a wonderful team like a project managers, and my main boss is a contract manager. You know, it's not a hard work to do. There is some stress definitely, but most of the time, to sum up, there's like nothing you cannot do or achieve, and especially with a team of professionals, or with a good team which, you know, which have experience, and they've been into different kind of situations, you know. So to sum up, just, you know, well, there's nothing impossible in construction. With your team you can achieve everything, there's nothing impossible. Well, signing papers and doing inspections, carrying out inspections, also not so hard. Well, it gets some days are more stressful, some days are less, but you know, we do what we do, and you know, we'll keep doing the good work, and you know, most important, we do like it, and we do the you know, the good stuff. It's required for people, so you know. Alright, so that was it. I think that was the last video, because I already made like tons of them on NVQ6, NVQ3, you know, so you should have a picture of it now. So thank you very much. Good day.